In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Salesforce edition. Knowing which edition of Salesforce you're using is crucial as it determines the features and capabilities that are available to you. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to head over to the Salesforce website. You can do this by opening up a web browser and typing in the Salesforce URL. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll find the login button. Go ahead and hover your mouse over this area to reveal the login options. Once the login options are visible, it's time to log into your Salesforce account. Ensure that you enter your credentials correctly to avoid any login issues. If you're having trouble logging in, double check your username and password. Once you're in, you're on your way. Next, what you want to do is to navigate to the Quick Settings menu. Again, it will be located at the top right of your screen. This is a drop-down menu designed to give you rapid access to different settings and preferences, ensuring a smooth Salesforce experience. Now, from the Quick Settings menu, you'll want to select the Open Advanced Setup option. Clicking on this will direct you to a more comprehensive setting panel where you can find detailed options to tailor your Salesforce environment according to your needs. Once you're in the Advanced Setup section, you need to find the Quick Find box. You can usually locate this on the left side of the screen. In this box you have to type company information. The Quick Find box is a handy tool designed to rapidly sift through options, helping you find precisely what you need without having to navigate through long lists of settings. After you've typed company information in the Quick Find box, look for the matching option in the results that appear below. Click on company information and you will be taken to a new screen. This screen contains a variety of details about your Salesforce account. On this page you can find a section specifically labelled as your Salesforce edition. It's usually one of the first things listed on the page, providing you a clear indication of which edition you are currently using. This information is essential as different editions come with varying levels of access to specific Salesforce features. And there you have it. Now you know exactly how to check which Salesforce edition you're operating. Whether you're checking to determine the features available or just out of curiosity, understanding your Salesforce edition is a great step towards maximizing the potential of your Salesforce environment. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.